In this session, we're discussing some of the key terminologies used in Forex trading. These are the core terms that we'll be covering: ask price and bid price, spread, pip and pipette, lot sizes, swaps. So, let's start with the first one, ask price and bid price. The ask price is basically the price you buy a currency pair at, and the bid price? That's the price you sell it for. One thing you need to keep in mind is the spread is just the difference between those two. Now, let's move on to the next point, which is pip and pipette. A pip is the smallest unit that shows how much a currency pair has moved. So if Euro USD goes from 1.1050 to 1.1051, that's a 1 pip movement. A pipette is even smaller. It's 1/10 of a pip. So if it moves from 1.10500 to 1.10501, that's 1 pipette. Let me make this simple. Pip shows the big change, pipette shows the finer detail. Another important aspect is lot. In Forex, currency pairs are traded in lots, which represent how much of the base currency is being traded. Let me explain this with an example. A standard lot is 100,000 units of the base currency. So if you're trading euros per USD, one lot is equal to 100,000 euros. A mini lot is 10,000 units. For example, 10,000 British pounds if it's GBP USD, and a micro lot is 1,000 units. So 1,000 US dollars in USD JPY. It just depends on how much you want to trade, from big to small. All right. Now let's proceed to the final topic, swap. This is the interest you either earn or pay if you keep a trade open overnight. There are two types. Swap long, when you're holding a long position overnight. Swap short, for short positions held overnight. It's just something to keep in mind when you're not closing your trade the same day. To sum up what we've learned today, we covered ask price, bid price, spread, pip and pipette, lot sizes, and swaps, some of the essential terms to get started in Forex. So, as you can see, once you get the hang of these, you're already ahead of the game. That brings us to the end of today's session. In our next session, we will continue with market-moving events. Keep watching to learn more.